I want to nip a little something in the butt, right? You probably communicate with your clients all the time, and they probably have an open line of communication to you when they want it. I've heard other advisors, other professionals always saying like, no, I want them to always have a meeting and do all of this. Can you call a little myth to that? Because you just said like they reach out when they want to and want it. How often does that really happen?
Yeah, I mean, a couple times a year, and quite frankly, I hear what you're saying about the meeting. So when I first started in the profession, I had this, idea in my head that everybody wanted to meet quarterly, right? And we were spending more time chasing down people to come in every quarter. And really, we found out after a while that it was really too much. They really didn't need that often of a meeting. So we went to annual meetings for most people. We kind of surveyed most folks, and they wanted an annual at a minimum. So we instituted an annual meeting. There are some families that want semi-annual, probably only a handful, so we do those. And I feel like it's easier just to get these questions when they arise to get them answered, because sometimes, if you wait till that next meeting, especially if it's once a year or even twice a year, whatever the question is may get lost or forgotten. This way, in our day and age, I think we have to, as advisors, meet the families where they're at. And, in a day and age where you go on Amazon and you can order something and have it at your house or your office the next day, I think that those answers are pertinent. And if it's something I can't answer, then we, get somebody on my team, if I'm in meetings or something, to make sure it gets answered. And it could be an email, could be a phone call, could be a text message.